Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn MS Excel another tutorial. Let's start with the page layout ribbon menu. First check themes, colors, fonts, and effects, if you want to apply them to this Excel sheet. Go to another sheet. Set margins, this helps to print data between page margins that you set. See this on the page layout view. If you want to reduce the margin, then select narrow option. Or set this from the custom margins option. There you can input margin scale as you want. Also, you can set print data horizontally and vertically in the center of the page. Here you can edit the header and footer with many other options. Format bold the header text. Insert date on footer. Let's see print preview. This will be printed on page. Change orientation as portrait or landscape. Most users use portrait as the default. Go to page break preview. Here you can see blue dash line on the sheet horizontally and vertically. You can manually replace the line, which helps to cover the data printed. Set paper size, letter, or A4. Select some areas want to print. Set this print area, then only the printed area print on the page. Clear the print area. Insert page break before the selected cell. Remove page break. Reset all page breaks. Insert sheet. Change the background of the sheet with the picture. Delete background, and set this again with new picture. Go to Product Sheet, and unmerge Product Details title. Set print titles. See the print preview. This is the preview before setting the print titles. Here you first select the print area which you want to print. Then select the row of the data table, as rows to repeat at top of every page. If completed, then select the columns to repeat at left data. It is not compulsory. If you increase the print area, then you can see the fixed field showing on every page. Change the print area only on product details. You can change the width and height of the page as your choice. Also change the scale of the data to fit the page. Turn off or on the grid lines view. Also turn off or on the headings view of column and row. Turn on the grid lines and headings print. It helps to print them with the data. Here it has showing. These all options are taught in the previous tutorial. Videos link are given in description box. Never miss those videos. This is the 7th episode of the Excel tutorial. Please share this videos with your friends. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for more update. See you in the next tutorial.